Welcome back, YouTube. This is going to be a quick and dirty video. The hood doesn't like to stay up all the time. This car has 200,000 miles on it. So we're going to replace this hood lift. It's pretty easy. All of you should be able to do it. Here is the part number for the hood strut. All you really need for this job is a flathead. You're going to place it up in here and pop this metal spring up and pull away from the bracket at the same exact time. I can't do it on screen because I'm going to need two hands to do this so I don't drop the hood on my face. We're going to do that there, and it is the same thing on the bottom. Take the flathead, pop this little metal tab, and pull out at the same time. Put the new one on, you're just simply going to push it on and it'll click. Once you push it on, it should be nice and tight. And now the hood goes up by itself. It's amazing. Oh, okay, there it goes.